Many people don't realize this, but some of the phrases you use every single day quietly teach others to take advantage of you. Not because they're bad people, but because your words give them permission. Today, I'm going to show you 7 common phrases that make people use you and what to say instead so others start respecting your time, your energy, and your boundaries. Let's begin. The first phrase is, "It's okay, I don't mind." You probably say this to be polite or helpful, but here's what people actually hear: "My needs aren't important. Go ahead, take more of my time." When you say you don't mind, even when you actually do, you teach others that your comfort is optional. A better way to respond is, "That doesn't work for me," or "I'm not available right now." Clear, respectful, honest. The second phrase is, "Whatever works for you." On the surface, it sounds flexible and easygoing, but used too often, it sends a different message. Your preferences matter, mine don't. And people will quickly get used to making every plan on their terms. Instead, try saying, "I'd prefer this time," or "Here's what works for me." When you have a preference, express it. People respect those who respect themselves. The third phrase is, "Sorry for bothering you." You're not bothering anyone by simply existing or asking a normal question, but this phrase makes you sound guilty before you've even done anything. It lowers your status and makes your needs feel like an inconvenience. A better alternative is, "Do you have a moment?" or "I need your input on something." You can be polite without apologizing for asking. The fourth phrase is, "No worries, it's fine," especially when it's not fine. When someone cancels on you, disrespects your time, or breaks a promise, and you say, "No worries," you remove all consequence. The other person learns they can repeat the same behavior without any pushback. A healthier response is, "I was counting on that," or "Please let me know earlier next time." That doesn't make you rude, it makes you clear. The fifth phrase is, "I can do it myself." You might think you're being independent, but often you're simply avoiding asking for help. And when you always do everything alone, people assume you don't need support. Then you end up exhausted, overwhelmed, and quietly resentful. A more balanced approach is, "I could use some help with this," or "Can you take over this part?" Strong people know how to receive help, not just give it. The sixth phrase is, "If you really need me, I guess I can." This phrase invites pressure. You say yes while hoping they'll say no, but usually they won't. They'll take your hesitant yes as real consent. Instead, try this: "I'm not able to do that," or "I'm unavailable." No excuses, no over-explaining. A firm no earns more respect than a reluctant yes. And the seventh phrase is, "As long as everyone else is happy." This sounds noble, but it's actually dangerous. It puts you last by default. It teaches people that your happiness is optional, that your needs always come after theirs. And when you do this for too long, people start expecting you to sacrifice yourself without even thanking you for it. A healthier version is, "I want everyone to be comfortable, including me," or "My needs matter here as well." Now let's be honest. How many of these phrases do you recognize in your own speech? If it's 3 or more, that's a sign you've been living in people pleaser mode for too long. Not everyone who uses you is doing it intentionally. Many people simply follow the boundaries you show them. If you show that your time is cheap, they'll treat it that way. If you show that your needs come last, they'll accept that without question. Here's the good news. Changing just one of these phrases can shift the entire dynamic. Choose the one you use the most and replace it for a week. You'll be surprised by how quickly people adjust. Respect starts with the words you choose. And when you speak differently, people treat you differently. If you found this helpful, save this video and keep practicing these new responses. The moment you stop being the overly convenient person, your relationships become healthier, clearer, and much more balanced.